This is Eli's and Dustin's Adventures. Today, we will scare the crap out of birds by playing trumpet.
Because they're so freaking loud. Listen to this. Okay, now that we're freaking over here, they're not loud at all. But we're gonna do it anyway. Ah! Yay! Okay, so since our surprising results of greatness, I'm gonna turn this thing around so I can see this on. We have failed. So, wait, now they start chirping. Stupid birds. Okay, wait, time to try it again. We're gonna make the neighbors really mad in a second here. So we have, oh god. My ears! So we have failed to do this and we are now going to stop. Bye! Say bye.
Crap.
That's not bye. Okay, seriously, bye.